Welcome to the Weather Hazard Briefing presented by National Weather Service Pocatello for Monday, November 20th. Here's what you'll see in this presentation. Yesterday's winter storm will be departing the Wyoming border region this morning, and that will leave behind some high pressure. That will mean cooler temperatures today, barely warming to near 40 degrees in the Snake River Plain. We're looking for a calmer wind. And for the next couple of late nights and mornings, we are looking at the potential for some fog and low cloudiness that should evaporate as the day progresses. The next winter storm arrives late Wednesday night, so we'll have a couple of quiet days, and then this storm will continue through Thanksgiving Day into the overnight hours on Thursday night. The outlook is for some light snow accumulations, even in the Snake River Plain and eastern Magic Valley, and then from Thursday or Thanksgiving Day onwards through the end of the week, we are looking for colder than normal temperatures. So here's a satellite image from this morning. You can see the light blue cloudiness indicates where there's fog and low clouds. You can see a lot of that is in the eastern and southern highlands, but it does extend into the Snake River Plain, and you can see an area here just starting to develop this morning of low clouds and fog in the northern parts of the eastern Magic Valley and the western parts of the Snake River Plain. Looking out in the Pacific, here's our next storm. This is the main storm right here in the southern Bering Sea. Part of this branch will break off and be the storm that moves through on Thursday, while this sort of sits out here and doesn't move a whole lot. All right, so for the next couple of days, it's just areas of morning fog, mostly in low-lying, of course, and valley areas. And then on Wednesday, again, all of this starts Wednesday night, actually, and a lot of this really doesn't get going, like this overnight snow being likely in the eastern highlands, really doesn't get going until after midnight on Wednesday night. Sawtooth and Lemhi starts a little bit earlier. And then Thursday during the day, and for Wednesday and Thursday, the risk of the snow has increased in confidence that it's going to happen, but it's still going to be light snow, as you'll see. So instead of having just a chance and slight chance for Thanksgiving Day, notice that we're now up either going categorical, snow definitely happening, or snow is likely. And we do know that snow is likely in the morning only in the Sawtooth and Lemhi County areas, and they should actually improve during the afternoon. And then on Friday, the chance of snow is mostly down to slight chance, with the exception of the southeast highlands where it might linger a little bit, or the slight chance of snow in the eastern highlands, which is the northern portion of our Wyoming border. And there, again, it's just a chance of snow. Elsewhere, it's just a slight chance of snow. And even then, it's only in the morning. We should see improving skies Friday afternoon for those other locations. So the temperatures this morning, some teens and single digits in the central Idaho mountains, but otherwise a lot of teens and 20s with all the cloud cover. And then starting today, continuing into tomorrow, and even at least Wednesday during the day, we just have this high pressure over us, as you can start to see here, the low just off the western edge of our map will be moving onshore during the day on Wednesday. So here are the high temperatures for today. You can see it is struggling to get to around 40 degrees in the Snake River Plain and eastern Magic Valley, and even some of our valley locations, for instance Stanley, just 39 degrees, and then some places staying obscured in cloudiness. Teton Pass only 27. And overnight tonight, as skies continue to clear, it does drop off a little bit in terms of temperature. And then on Tuesday, temperatures are a little bit warmer, maybe 2 to 4 degrees. And then for Wednesday morning, temperatures sort of staying about the same, a lot of 20s and teens. And then here on Wednesday, this is what we expect during the day. All of this mixed precipitation, though, is for Wednesday evening when this storm gets closer. So this is the storm's location during the morning at that time at 5 a.m. But the forecast of precipitation, that is for the entire 24-hour period. And it's on Wednesday. That does mean a shift to more southerly wind. And so look at how the temperature warms, especially down in our southern area south of Blackfoot, or where we're warming up about as much as 5 degrees, whereas it's sort of staying the same up in the northern end of our forecast area. And cloud cover cooling off Stanley, Chalice, and other places in the central Idaho mountains. And then overnight lows, a little bit warmer. Some places barely getting to below freezing. And here are the snowfall amounts for Wednesday. Again, this is all Wednesday evening, starting 5 p.m. to 5 a.m. Thursday morning. And you can see here, there's just not a whole lot. There's just a lot of less than an inch. And it's mostly in the mountains in the northern half of our forecast area. And then for Thanksgiving Day, for Thursday and Thursday night, here's the outlook. You can see 6 inches, which would be a significant snowfall, is in yellow, and there's just limited areas. It's all up in the Lost River range of mountains, some of our highest peaks in there. And it's all mostly 1 to 4 inches in the mountains, and then in the Snake River Plain, it's all less than an inch, and in some places it's less than half an inch, for instance, American Falls. So not a whole lot of snow with this storm, but we will be getting some snow, and it will be staying cool. The wind gusts, this is the windiest day is Thursday, and notice the gusts barely make it to 20 miles an hour. So all in all, not a bad day to be traveling. But if you're looking for a problem-free trip, you'll probably want to leave on Wednesday prior to the holiday. That's all I have. If you have any further questions, you can always contact us at this telephone number down here, or check out the weather yourself at weather.gov/Pocatello. Thanks for watching.